I walked alone where we once stood still. The air was heavy, but I felt you still. You were the silence in my loudest day. Now you're the distance I can't outweigh. I gave you parts I never knew I had. You took them gently, then left me sad. If I known you'd walk away, I wouldn't wait beneath this tree, counting dreams that won't return to me. But I won't fall, I'll stay on my feet. Even if your shadow crosses this street, you're not the home you used to be, but you still live inside of me. You're great, you're not too great. You're not too great. You said forever, the time was cruel. Love was the game, and I played the fool. I keep pretending I've moved on, but every sunset feels so wrong. I'll forget you slow, but I'll learn. Let the past be what it yearned. Even if I ache when mornings rise, I won't drown in your goodbyes. You were my light, now you're a sea, a place I left where I used to be. And in the hush before the dawn, I whisper to the days you're gone. Even if I fade like dreams at 3, you were the best and worst of me. You were the song I couldn't keep. You were the fire beneath my sleep. You're great, you're not too great. You're great, you're not too great. You were the song I couldn't keep. You're the fire beneath my sleep.